Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here is your daily update for Bitcoin. I'm live also, so if you have any questions, please write it in the comments. I will answer it. And now we will start with our English TA for Bitcoin. Here's the daily update. Let's go. Okay guys, let's start with this one. Here is CoinMarketCap. What's going on with Bitcoin? For the moment, we can see Bitcoin is going up really nice. We saw a nice pump here. I watched this on my live stream, a really nice pump to the upside. And now we have a plus about 3.15% in 24 hours and 16.6% in 7 days. What a nice picture. It's really lovely. Ethereum is going up also, but not so fast as Bitcoin. Ethereum is going up with 2.01% and with 12% in 7 days. The Binance coin is going up, XRP is going up, Terra Luna is going up. Guys, look at Terra Luna. I made a nice short video for Terra Luna. Terra Luna is mooning 63% in the plus. Amazing. Solana 15.78%. So okay, a really nice stuff if you are trading Solana, Terra Luna, and these coins. They are mooning. You can see the Bitcoin dominance is going up with 43.1%. Ethereum dominance is going up with 18.4%. Guys, we have maybe in the next days 18,000 coins, crypto coins. We have for the moment today 17,942 listed here on CoinMarketCap, and maybe we will reach 18,000 soon in the next days. It's amazing. We have fear and greed index here, and this is a neutral. We are neutral if we are watching the fear and greed index. And if we are watching this stuff here, that's really nice. This is from SPY versus GME, and he's telling us, okay, we have a nice uptrend and we have now a big problem with this blue line. We are on a resistance line, and he's telling us this is the 21 on the weekly, the 21 EMA on the weekly time frame. I will check this now on my own. So let's go into the Bitcoin chart and let me check it. So I have to search it. Where is my Bitcoin chart? This is it. Okay, what's going on? So this is the last picture from my German update. This is the daily time frame. Now let's remove all these beautiful drawings here from me from Biti Da Vinci, and this is the daily time frame. Let's start with the weekly one. Here is the weekly time frame. Now let's check this one here. What's going on the weekly time frame? And let's bring on here the MA20 or the MA21. Let's check this one here. MA20. So MA, let me tell it, MA21, it doesn't matter. And the style is here like a fat white line. And the important stuff is, look at this. I have here another thing. I'm not going here directly with this one here. What's that big thing? Here's the EMA. Here's the EMA. And I have here the MA. Sorry, guys. I have here the MA21. He's watching the EMA21. You can see there's a difference between the EMA21 and the MA21. Yes, of course it is. Let me check the EMA. Indicator. EMA. Maybe we can use the ribbon band. We see it maybe with the ribbon band also. We have the EMA20 on the ribbon band. Let me check this one here. What's going on with my internet? It's really slow here. Let's forget the MA20. It's not so important. What's going on with the MA20 on the monthly time frame? Here it is. This was a big thing, guys. I told you this. I told you this for about some days here. I told you guys we need to see a confirmed closing candle over the MA21. And yes, we saw it. It's really bullish. We saw here a nice jump over this really important MA21 line, and this is a good sign. Ribbon band is here on the monthly time frame, and the MA21 is here, so this is a really good sign. But let me check on the week now. Yes, we can see it here. Perfect, guys. Here is the ribbon band fight with the weekly time frame, and that's the important stuff in my opinion. The weekly time frame and the ribbon band fight is here on this position. You can see it here. So, okay, this is a really big stuff to watch, guys. 45,500, something about this one. Here's the EMA21. This is the weekly big resistance, and we need to break through. As I told you, we have time 4 days and 9 hours to break through this big resistance line. This is the, in my opinion, the important stuff for the moment on the big time frame. And yes, remember, I'm showing you this always here. I know it, guys. This is still a possible thing. This is still a possible M pattern. Don't forget it. A lot of guys are telling me, Biti, we will never go down to 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. No, this will never happen. I hope so, guys. But guys, everything is possible on Bitcoin. Everything is possible. Why not to go down again to 11,000, 12,000? Why it is impossible? I told you guys, as I was trading here on this point, I traded this one here 2018, December 2017. I traded this one here. I was also here in a nice trade. Everyone told here on internet and YouTube, yes, we will go up to 60,000, we'll go to the moon from here. What happened? A lot of guys went long on 18,000, 19,000, they went long. And some guys told us, okay, attention, we will go down back to 3,000, 4,000. Everyone told us, no, this would never happen. Everything will go to the moon. And what happened? What happened? We saw a corona dump here to the downside. We saw a bad dump here to the downside. Look at this here. Look at this. We saw a dump from 19,500 down to 3,100. I know it, guys. It's another time. There are a lot of institutions, they bought here, Tesla and Apple and something like this. I know it, guys. We have another time, but guys, we have war. We have war in Europe. We have corona. We have really, really bad stuff to fight all over the world. And we saw here a downgoing Bitcoin price from here to here. It was a minus about 84%. 84%. If you bought in here on 19,000 down to 3,000, you had a minus about 84%, guys. And why this one should not happen here now, guys? Why not? If you bought here on the upside, if you bought here on this point on 60,000, 65,000, because everyone told you, yes, we will go up to 300,000, buy in now, buy in now. You bought in here and it will go down to 10,000. What will happen? We have a minus about 83%. The same thing, what's happening on 2017, it's not impossible that it will be happening now with Bitcoin. Sorry for my bad English. I hate it. I would like to speak a nice English, not this bad one, but I need to learn. So, okay, I know it, guys. Once again, we have another time. Everything changed. A lot of big institutions are here. Yes, I hope for this, guys. But don't forget war, corona, and the bad news all over the world, the bans for Bitcoin. This was here the same stuff, guys. 2017, China banned Bitcoin. 2020, China banned Bitcoin. 2021, China banned Bitcoin. I can't hear this damn thing. It was the same thing here from year to year to year. Okay, but we have really, really big things here to watch. And why not to be prepared? To be prepared for going down to 10,000, 12,000 and to buy in again. Why not? Angry Higgins, not to forget economic crisis. Yes, guys, everything with the dollar and the inflation and something like this, the Feds and so on, guys, we have really, really bad news. Don't forget it. The news are really bad, and why not to come down more and more? It's not always a nice pump to the upside. So that's a little warning from me to you. We will continue now with our analysis here. Weekly time frame, you see now everything what's really important. Now, guys, let's go directly into the action. I will not make it too long for today on this analysis. Here is the 15-minute time frame. Look at these candles now, what we are making for. Guys, really, really bad. We saw now a big candle up to the price I told you here on the weekly. Attention, guys, 45,400 and a big spike to the downside. And now that's a really bad sign, guys. You know it why it is a really bad sign, because we have a long wick to the upside. I hate long wicks to the upside because they are for the most times a sign that we will go down from here. For the moment, yes, we are fighting here over this line. That's really important. First of all, it's the EMA ribbon band. And yes, of course, it's the MA21 on the 50-minute time frame. It's not so important on the 50-minute time frame. Yes, but now we are fighting. And as long as we are over 44,000, everything is okay. But if we will go down here more and more, we may dump down here really fast, and that's not important. We have to watch this line. We have to watch this line on the 15-minute time frame, because these are our support lines now to the upside. You can see here we have a lot of support. If this will break to the downside, we have maybe a problem, and maybe we will go down here really, really fast. 15-minute time frame. I also would like to show you the RSI really quick, relative strength index. This is not relative strength index. Here it is. You can see it now on the downside. What's happening now? First of all, we saw a really nice breakout over this point here, but it was dangerous because it was on 66 points, really high. I told you this on the German update. Now you can see it on the English one. We broke down again. Okay, guys, I know it. It's not so important to watch the indicator RSI on the 50-minute time frame, but I will. So here is the MACD. Let's check this one here also. MACD, let's check this one, and you can see MACD is still bullish, but we're coming down here. We saw a nice cross, but we're coming down with the MACD. Let's go directly into the 1 hour time frame, and this is dangerous. This is dangerous because you can see we saw here the cross blue line under the brown line, and we are going down and down and down and down. Guys, if we will see across the blue line over the brown line, this would be maybe the next bullish breakout, but you can see it's not here for the moment. We are not breaking out to the upside. We see no MACD cross. So if you are waiting for the big pump to the upside now, watch at the 1 hour time frame. MACD, here it is, really possible to see a nice breakout and to make maybe a long position if we can see a cross here for the blue line over the brown line. What else is here really important? This is maybe not so important, the breakout of if you're watching the RSI, forget it. Let's check the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame also not so important, but what can we see on the 4 hour time frame? That's frightening me. We are with the RSI overbought. You can see it. We are on 72, 73 points. This is overbought RSI, and that's not good for the moment. Maybe we're coming down here a little bit more and take deep breaths. This candle on the 4 hour, it's looking really amazing. Look at this, guys. It's an unsure closing candle for the moment. Big spike to the downside, big spike to the upside. So we see a lot of unsure closing candles here on the upside, a lot of sell power, but the guys are bullish. The guys are buying here. Here the guys are greedy here. They are buying here up to the upside. So it's an amazing fight for the moment, and I think it's possible. I think it's still possible to make a nice move from here to the upside if we can see confirmed closing candles over the monthly MA21, what I showed you here. So guys, remember, 45,500 must fall, confirmed. This would be maybe the next bullish breakout to the upside, in my opinion. So, okay, this is this stuff. What else can we see? And I showed you this also in my last videos. This inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. I know, Angry Higgins, you are not trading this one, but you are trading the trend lines. And we broke this one here. Maybe on this point, it's not so important. Maybe it's better to watch it. This one here, I would like to use the these lines here, and we saw a nice breakout here on this point. This was a really nice long position, and yes, we broke out to the upside, and the technical target for this one is from the upside to the downside. I showed you this also on my videos, to the upside, and the technical target, bam, we hit it perfectly. We saw a perfect hit here on this technical inverse shoulder, head, shoulder breakout. And this is maybe not the baddest thing to go out of the trade to take profit here. Okay, it's possible to moon, but this is a really nice, perfect inverse shoulder, head, shoulder breakout to the upside. It's amazing, like school book of trading here. Inverse, shoulder, head, shoulder. Here's the baseline, and here was the technical target. Perfect, guys. So I will end this video now. I will end this analysis now because it's too long. And guys, you know now everything you need to know, in my opinion. We need to break 45,000. We need to break here this area on the upside, and we need to see confirmed closing candles over this line here. That's really important. If we will see this, this would be maybe a next nice long position, but it's possible to take a little breath here, to go down here a little bit. And after this, maybe we can use a nice pump to the upside. Maybe we can see a nice pump to the upside. Guys, thanks. Have a nice day. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.